Hi Sagittarius, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Welcome or welcome back to your Twin Flame and Soulmate Connection Energy reading, the bonus reading for February 2021. With me, Ivy, Spiritual Messages and Tarot, as well as Happy Valentine's Day to you. If you're new to the channel here, Sagittarius, welcome. And if this message resonates with you, I will really appreciate your support by clicking subscribe and hit the notification bell. Without further ado, let's get into your reading. Okay, Sagittarius, so let's look at into your energy and your person energy on your soulmate and twin flame connection for February 2021. Let's see what we have here, Sagittarius. Also, Sagittarius, please note that this is a collective general energy reading, therefore it may or may not resonate with every single one of you out there. If this message does not resonate with you, Sagittarius, please kindly consider checking your moon, your rising, or your Venus sign. And if this message resonates with you, don't forget to hit the like, share, and leave a comment in the comment section. By doing so, you will be eligible for free monthly giveaway readings, which I'll be doing towards the end of the month, every month. Okay, so on this side here, Sagittarius, is your energy, and on this side here is your person energy. But again, due to this is a collective general energy reading, the roles or the energy can be interchangeable or vice versa. Now let's look at into the sign first here, Sagittarius. I'm getting a very strong Aquarius energy, so air sign Aquarius, Libra, and Gemini. I'm also getting a very strong fire energy coming up here as well, so Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. And then I've also got, yeah, that's it. So fire sign and air sign is coming up really strongly here. So you could have any of those signs strongly in your chart, or your person could have any of those signs strongly in their chart. Now looking at your energy here, Sagittarius, I've got the Five of Cups, I've got the Four of Cups coming up here, and then I've also got the King of Wands energy coming up here as well. So let's start with this Four of Cups and the Five of Cups energy coming up here first. All I'm getting here, Sagittarius, is that a very strong confusion and just like not sure what is it that you need to do at this point of time, especially with this Two of Swords energy coming up here. So I'm getting like a very strong hesitancy energy, back and forth energy, and a little bit of indecisiveness energy, I could say also here, Sagittarius. So it's like all I'm getting at this point of time here is that you just like sitting there and weighing up the option, thinking like, should you do this, should you not do that, like that kind of energy is what I'm getting here, which is why I've got this back and forth energy coming up really strongly for you. Some of you here are still having this very strong guilty and regret energy, so I feel like this is also another reason, or this is also another thing that's basically stopping you to reaching out from your person, I would say here, Sagittarius, because this Five of Cups energy is the energy of feeling little bit of guilty and regretful coming up here. I do feel like deep within yourself you might be thinking that you have done a terrible mistake and there is no way that you can actually fix this situation, or there is no way that you can actually fix this separation between you and your person, because like you have messed up so badly, like that kind of energy is what I'm getting here. So this is what causing you to have this I would say mental breakdown, but like not sure what you need to do. So part of you here wants to communicate to your person, part of you here wants to like meet them and telling them that how much they mean to you here, like part of you want to do that, but another part of you here is like talking you back, I would say here, is like telling you that no, don't do that, like you have literally lost all the chance, like you literally have blew up all the chance to be with your person. So this is like a very strong doubt and fear energy coming up also. So this is what causing you to feel even more confused and even more undecided, I would say here, Sagittarius. So with this King of Wands energy, it's quite interesting because with this King of Wands energy there is also this lion coming up here behind him. So it's like what you cannot see at this point of time here is that there are still a lot of hidden things that is actually surrounding you and your person at this point of time here, Sagittarius, especially surrounding this connection. And I feel like some of you here are too involved, or at least like too stuck within what your mental like your mental thoughts and what is it that your logical mind is trying to tell you, that you couldn't see the surrounding the divine synchronicities, the divine messages, sign and synchronicities from the divine here. So all you need to do here is just that to step back a little bit and just like shutting down all of this all of this logical thought or critical thinking within yourself, yeah, and just start looking around and start like feeling and analyzing and like just sensing that divine presence, that divine sign and synchronicity, divine messages that are actually surrounding you at this point of time here, Sagittarius. So that's it for your energy. Now looking at your person energy here is quite interesting because I've got the Four of Wands coming up here. So this is definitely, some of you here have been doubting, like, is this the like a true twin flame, or is this like the person that I'm supposed to be with? Is this person my divine counterpart? So with this Four of Wands energy, the answer is yes, definitely this is the person that you're supposed to be with here. Like I always said, this Four of Wands energy is basically talking about the twin flame union or the divine union, reconciliation that is actually going to happen between both of you here. Now it's also quite interesting because I've got the Page of Wands coming up here, and then I've also got the Star energy coming up here. So the first thing that I'm getting from your person here, Sagittarius, is that they're manifesting you, like a very strong manifestation energy is coming up here very, very strongly, as you can see here with this Page of Wands energy. So I do feel like your person definitely have been longing and like have been wanting to communicate with you, have been like wanting to just get things started. But the thing here is that they're also being held back, not by their doubt, but it's like with this Star energy here, Sagittarius, I do feel like at this point of time, the reason why they're holding themselves back at this point of time here is that because of this cleansing energy. I've got the Star card coming up here, so a very strong healing and cleansing energy that they're currently going through here. Somehow along the way, that could like this relationship could actually gotten a little bit toxic, where both of you just mentally and emotionally feeling drained, mentally and emotionally feeling tired. So this is the reason why your person had to stop, or your person had to initiate the breakup or the separation between both of you, I would say here, Sagittarius. So, and your person at this point of time also realizing that they cannot continue this relationship with all of this toxic energy, because it's not only going to be affecting them, it's also going to be affecting you and the future, like the family all together, like all of things is currently involved. So this is the reason why they actually made that decision. Okay, this is it, I'm just going to step back a little bit, I'm just going to go into this separation, taking a little bit break, because it's getting too much of toxic energy. I cannot handle it anymore. I need to step back here and focus on myself, or focus on healing myself here. So it's not literally that they hate you, or they do not want to hear anything from you, they do not want to communicate from you here. Some of them having this little bit of fearful energy, I would say here, Sagittarius, like they're quite fearful, or they're quite scared that if they reaches out towards you here, I won't say they are scared about the toxicity or the negativity being repeated again. They are more scared about the emotional outpouring, I would say here, Sagittarius. So this is another reason why they're kind of having this hesitancy energy to come towards you here. But honestly, with this Earth Mother energy, they have been putting you in such a high pedestal, I would say here, Sagittarius. They have been thinking about you, they have been missing you, I would say here. They're definitely putting you in such a high pedestal, and they do understand there is a very, very strong soul connection between both of you here. The only thing that is currently stopping them to come forward here, even though they are manifesting you at this point of time here, is because of that fearful of the emotional outpouring, I would say here. So I feel like they are not really someone who's actually good with handling emotion, or at least with expressing the emotion, I would say here, Sagittarius. Now looking at the advice that I've got for you here, I've got abundance coming up for you, and then I've also got miracles energy. So this is a wonderful energy coming up here, miracles and abundance. So a lot of miracles are coming for you here, Sagittarius. A lot of abundance, gift, blessings are coming up towards you here. All you need to do here is just that surrender to the process. Do not try to control the outcome, do not try to control the external circumstances here, and just have faith that your miracle is definitely on its way. So that's it for your reading here, Sagittarius. I hope it resonates. Thank you so much for tuning in, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. I'll see you in the next reading. Have a good day, stay safe, and be blessed. Bye bye.